I'm Megan with Ram Clutches, and today we're going to talk about Ram's hydraulic bearings and some of the features they offer. The best feature that our bearings have to offer is their overall height of 1.5 inches. That's the shortest on the market and ensures that your bearing will fit in virtually any application. We also feature 800 thousandths travel, which means you have way more flexibility when you're setting up your gap in your bearing. We also feature larger O-rings. These O-rings are the largest on the market and ensures long life. Our bearings come with a constant contact bearing face. This also ensures long life on your bearing. And if you have a lever application, we can easily swap in one of our tool steel bearing faces, which is perfect for your lever clutch. So I talked about travel a second ago, and let's get into that now. Ram bearings feature 800 thousandths travel, which means once you set up your initial gap of 180 to 200 thousandths travel, you have 500 thousandths for your stroke, which leaves you with an extra 100 thousandths of cushion to ensure that your piston does not overextend on your bearing. With all of these features in mind, Ram Clutches is the most logical choice when considering a bearing for your clutch. Follow the link in the description for more information.